Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I think you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Muhammad Al Yamin Opu, an assistant teacher of mathematics, National Ideal English Version School, morning shift. Today I am going to take a math class for the student of class 6. Our today's topic is assignment 2 part 2. Our lecture number is 52. Assignment 2 part 2. In assignment 2 part 1 we learned about how to write down an assignment, and the question number 1 and question number 2 we solved already in part 1. In part 2 we will solve question number 3 and question number 4. But my dear students, first of all I inform you again, our topic is for the assignment 2 mathematics, our topic is chapter 2, chapter 3, chapter 4, creative questions. Okay, now this is creative question number 3. The STEM is write with the help of sign, plus, minus, multiplication and addition. That means we have to write down all the 5 questions with the help of these 4 signs: plus sign, minus sign, multiplication sign and division sign. Okay, activity A is subtract 3 times of y from 7 times of x. Subtract 3 times of y from 7 times of x. First of all we have to calculate the 3 times of y. Okay, 3 times of y is equal to what? 3 multiplication with y. That means thrice y. And it is 7 times of x we have to find out. Okay, also 7 times of x, that's equal to how much? 7 multiplication with x. Okay, that's equal to 7x. Now read the question again. Subtract 3 times of y from 7 times of x. We have to subtract this one, 3 times of y from 7 times of x. That means we can write down according to the question. According to the question, we have to subtract thrice y from 7 times of x. We have to subtract 3 times of y from 7 times of x. That means this is our required answer, 7x minus thrice y. It will be our required answer. I think, dear students, you have understood. Now activity B, add 8 times of c with the product of a and b. First of all we have to calculate 8 times of c, and we have to calculate the product of a and b for calculating activity B. Okay, look, we have to calculate this one. I am using the number 1 question. Okay, now activity B is we have to find out 8 times of c. Okay, so we can write down 8 times of c is equal to 8 multiplication with c, that's equal to 8c. Now we have to find out the product of a and b. Also the product of a and b. A and b, the product of a and b is what? Nothing but a multiplication with b, that's equal to ab. Okay, this is the product of a and b. ab is the product of a and b. Now we can write down again according to the question. According to the question means you have to read out the question again. Add 8 times of c with the product of a and b. That means this is the 8 times of c and this is the product of a and b. We have to add these two, so we can write down 8c plus sign ab. This is our required answer. The students, I think you have understood. This is so easy. Now activity C is divide the sum of a and b by the subtraction of y from x. First of all we have to find out the sum of a and b and the subtraction of y from x. Then we can divide these two. Okay, now I am erasing this one again. So activity C will be, first of all we have to find out the sum of a and b. So the sum of a and b. Sum of a and b equal to how much? Equal to a plus b. This is the sum of a plus b. Sum means the addition, okay, a plus b. Now we have to find out the subtraction of y from x. Also the subtraction of y from x is equal to what? The subtraction of y from x. That means it will be x minus y. This is the subtraction of y from x. Okay. Now we have to divide this one. That means a plus b by x minus y. Okay. So we can write down again, according to the question, a plus b need to be divided by x minus y. A minus b, a plus b is the sum of a and b, and x minus y is the subtraction of y from x. This is the division, and this is our required answer. Now we have to write down activity D. Multiply the product of x and 9 by 7. We have to find out the multiply, okay? Which multiply? The product of x and 9 by 7. So first of all we have to find out the product of x and 9. We have to find out first product of x and 9. Okay, look, it is activity D. So the product of, first of all, the product of x and 9. Okay, the product of x and 9 equal to how much? X multiplication with 9. That's equal to, we can write down 9x. Dear students, you can't write down x multiply 9 is equal to x9. You can't write down because variable can't be write down in the front. Variable must be write down later after the numerals. That means numeral must be write down in front of the variable. This is the right process and this is the wrong process. You can't write x9. Okay, when you write down x multiplication 9 is okay, but you can't write down x9. We have to write down 9x. This multiplication will be 9x. Okay, now we have to multiply with 9x, multiply this one by 7. So you can write down, according to the question, 9x multiplication with 7. This is our required answer. You have to write down according to the question 9x multiplication 7, because 9x, 9 times of x, or product of 9 and x is multiplied by 7. Okay, now we will solve activity E. Activity E is add 2 times of a number, add 2 times of a number with the 3 times of another number. Okay, so suppose or let or assume a number is x. Okay, and another number is y. We have to assume these 2 numbers because there is not given any number, a number and another number. Okay, that's why we have to assume a number is x and another number is y. Now 2 times of a number we have to find out. Therefore 2 times of a number, 2 times of a number is how much? 2 multiplied with that one number. 2 multiplication with a number is x. 2 times of a number is equal to 2 multiply x. That's equal to twice x. And we have to find out also the 3 times of another number. So and 3 times of another number. 3 times of another number is equal to how much? 3 multiply with another number. Another number is what? Another number is already assumed a y. That means 3 multiply with y. So it will be thrice y. Now read out the question again. Add 2 times of a number with the 3 times of another number. 2 times of a number, 3 times of another number will be add. That means we can write down, according to the question, 2 times of a number is twice x, addition 3 times of another number is thrice y. That means twice x plus thrice y will be our required answer. So the question 3 is done. Now we will solve question number 4. Okay, question number 4 is so easy. Question number 4 is so easy, very easy. Now look, The esteem says that the price of a book is taka A, the price of a notebook is taka A book is taka B, and a pen is taka C. We have to calculate A, B and C. Okay, given that what? It's given that price, the price of a notebook, is taka A. Okay, price of a notebook is taka A, and also the price of a book is taka B. And another one is given is price of pen. The price of a pen is taka C. Now for activity A, we can write down what is the total price of 5 pens and 3 notebooks. We have to find out first the 5 pens price and the 3 notebooks price. Then we have to find out the total. Okay, 5 pens price. What is the price of a pen? The price of a pen is taka C. Therefore, the price of 5 pens, is taka 5 multiplication with C. That means taka 5C. Okay, and you have to find out 3 notebooks price. Okay, 1 notebook's price is what? 1 notebook's price is already given taka A. Therefore, the price of how many notebooks? 3 notebooks. Okay, 3 notebooks is taka how much? Is taka, this is 3 multiplied with this A. Okay, that means thrice A. Now we have to find out the total price of 5 pens and 3 notebooks. That means we have to add these two number. Okay, we have to add these two. This is taka will be, okay, taka 5C and taka 3A will be added. Therefore, we can write down the price of 5 pens and 3 notebooks together, or total price of 5 pens and 3 notebook is taka 5C plus thrice A. It will be our answer. Dear student, I think you have understood. Like this, we can solve activity B and activity C. How? First of all, given this 3 is already there. Okay, this 3 for all the questions. Activity B, for activity B, given price of a notebook, price of a book and price of a pen is given. Now what is the total price of 10 books and 4 notebooks? According to activity A, we can solve. We have, first of all, we have to find out the 10 books price. 1 book's price is B, so 10 books price will be, therefore 10 books price will be taka 10 multiplied with B, that's equal to taka 10B. And the 4 notebooks price will be what? 1 notebook's price is A, that means 4 notebooks price will be taka 4 multiplied with A, that's equal to taka 4A. Now we have to find out the total price of 10 books and 4 notebooks. That means we have to add these two as like before. It will be, total will be taka 10B plus 4A. It will be our answer for activity B. And for activity C, what is the total price of 8 notebooks, 6 books and 9 pens? First of all, we have to find out separately. This 3 is given already. Find out first the 8 notebooks price. 8 notebooks price will be taka 8 multiplied with the 1 notebook price A. That means taka 8A will be the price of 8 notebooks. Now we have to find out the 6 books price. 6 books price will be taka 6 multiplied with the B. That means it will be taka 6B. And we have to find out also 9 pens price. Okay, 9 pens price will be taka 9 multiplied with C. That's equal to taka 9C. So what is the total price? That means we have to add these 3 numbers. That means the total price will be taka 8A plus 6b plus 9c, which will be our required answer of activity C for question number 4. Dear students, I think you have understood my today's lecture. This is your second assignment on mathematics. You have to write down very properly and you have to write down neat and clean. Please keep your assignment neat and clean. And I am telling you again, the topic of your second assignment of mathematics is chapter 2, chapter 3, chapter 4, creative questions. See you again inshallah in the next class. Till then, Allah Hafiz.